How to fix Love and Deepspace app not working, crashing or keep stopping problem. If the Love and Deepspace app is not working, crashing or keep stopping, you can try the following troubleshooting step to fix the issue. Watch the video till the end. First step is that you can restart your device. Sometime a simple start of your phone or tablet can fix app crashes or freezing. You can turn your device off and then you can turn it back. You can turn it back on to clear out any temporary glitches or issues that might be affecting the app. Long press or hold on to your power button and go for the reboot or restart option. Also, you can check for the update. You can navigate to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and check for the update available for the Love and the Space game. So if there is any update available, then you have to tap on the update option to download the latest version. So if you are using your Android device, you can easily clear the cache file which is corrupted, and that can also cause app to crash. You can try clearing the cache. You have to navigate to your device setting and scroll down and go for your app. Under your app, you have to tap on the manage app and search for the Love and the Space here. So once you have searched for the Love and Deep Space, you have to tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache. If the clearing cache doesn't help, you can also try the clear data, which will reset the app and you may lose saved progress. So you can use this as last resort. Just go for the clear all data. If updating and clearing the cache didn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. You can uninstall the app from your device and you can restart your device. After that, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store, then reinstall the Love and the Space game. Sometimes insufficient storage space on your device can cause app to misbehave. You can check your device storage and free up space if necessary. You have to navigate to your setting, go for your about phone, and you can check your storage here. You can simply see that. Also, you can check for your background app too. If you have enabled your battery saving mode, you have to disable the battery saving mode here. So this way you will be able to fix Love and Deep Space app not working, crashing or stopping problem on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.